Hey stitching muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are modifying the Grace bra. We are lowering the V neckline and adding a lace along the new edge, so it looks like a completely different bra. This is a quick and easy upgrade, so let's sew your own lacy Gracie. If you are new here, hit the subscribe so you don't miss the next pattern hack. For this one I am using the same materials as for the classic Grace bra. So it's main fabric, lining fabric, bra closure, 2 sliders plus 2 hooks, underbust elastic, strap elastic, plus a ½ meter of a stretch lace. First I fold the fabric and cut 2 main pieces. Then I can deepen the neckline. So I will mark 3 centimeters right here. And I think we can use the original pattern to copy the line like this. Now I cut both pieces at once. Yeah, and I will also use the 5 centimeter closure today. It's actually enough for me. So I need to adjust the back piece just a little bit. Closure plus the seam allowance somewhere here. Then I can use the pattern again to just make the new underarm and cut it. You can also mark these adjustments directly on the paper pattern. It's maybe easier, but yep. Then cut both pieces also from the lining fabric. And then the lace. So I take the lace and place it onto the piece, just right on the fabric. And I have to decide where I want it. Maybe something like this. Yeah, I will try it right here. So I cut the first piece this way. And then I take this one and place it onto the other side or edge of the lace and cut the second mirrored piece. And then first things first. Place the lace wrong side facing the right side of the main piece. And we will pin and sew them together. So I will start right here at the center front. Then the decorative edge. And then the rest. And the same on the other side. and stitch these layers together. I am using a zigzag stitch along the decorative lace edge and then just a long straight stitch instead of the basting thread. Then pin and sew all 4 darts right sides together. And pin and sew the center front seam as well. And then make a knot at the end of the darts. Then place the pieces right sides together and pin and sew the underarms and the neckline. You can add a thin elastic to the seam to get a better shape and support. I will use just a longer stitch. Then take your straps and slide them into the fabric straps. Right side of the elastic facing the right side of the fabric, or the main one. And the second one as well. And sew them in a place. I am using just a straight stitch. If you fold the seam allowance to the wrong or the lining layer, you will get a really nice finish. Then turn the bra to the right side. And this is the perfect finish, what I was talking about. And pin and baste or stitch the center back and also the bra bottom, both layers together. Then baste and sew the underbust elastic and strap loops. I forgot to adjust it, I think. What? Okay, never mind. And stitch it together. You can use zigzag, 3-step zigzag, or a cover stitch machine. Then secure the strap loops with a straight stitch. And thread and stitch the straps and the closure. And our lacy Gracie is done. I really love the lace detail. I think it's super cute. You know, I love colors, so this is probably not for everyone, but I really love her. So let's try her on.